So I want to discuss another case showing the impact of a civil proceeding on what is in essence a sexual harassment complaint. What happened in the case in question is that the individual, the plaintiff suing, had been a victim of sexual harassment some 11 years prior to the incident I'm going to describe. And at that time, the individual who had harassed her was terminated. Now, this person, oddly enough, is being hired again by the same company 11 years later. So the plaintiff says, "What are you talking about? I can't be working with this person." In fact, she had to report to this person. And the company said, "Well, that's too bad. This is what's going to happen." So she went to see her lawyer, and the lawyer argued that this event of hiring her previous offender was a constructive dismissal. And I'll explain constructive dismissal in detail in subsequent videos. So basically, she was arguing that I shouldn't have to tolerate a working environment in which I have to report to this person who harassed me before. And so she stopped working and claimed that that conduct entitled her to a termination claim based on reasonable notice, and also aggravated damages for the manner in which this termination, as she alleged, had come about. And the court at trial and on appeal agreed with her. And they said, yes, this is a constructive dismissal. We're going to compensate you for 1 year for lost income for the 1 year for the notice period. And with respect to aggravated damages, we're going to tack on another $100,000. And that's what happened at trial. It was upheld on appeal. And it just shows you the power of a civil proceeding and what can happen. Now, she could have argued similarly this type of relief in human rights, but she made that decision. She took a civil proceeding and was successful. I forget what happened to the costs. And no doubt she's entitled to her costs in the civil proceeding, but I don't know the details. If you really need to know, well, I'll find out for you. So, ending this video, beware of what your rights are, be knowledgeable, be intelligent, and act appropriately. Thank you.